everyone. I am a CNC operator. I want to introduce you about the program connector system. The machine dimension on drawing indicate distance. If you CNC, then have the shoot. Then this one is the Z for mazatrol. Then the machine, we can say this distance is the Y from distance to this way is plus C, and from H. Mazatrol is the machine, is the smart machine. That this one is the diameter for H and from Z. Mazatrol creates a program. Mazatrol program position setting program tool part cutting and parameter diagnose data in data out. You can copy from computer to machine to computer from machine from computer. The program, the workplace, you can change from inch to millimeter. Then machine mazatrol is very important. You see the program in mazatrol, the program, then program unit, then the outside OD diameter maximum in the meter, then a length, then a workplace, then a RTC mode, RPM data. You can go through to the program point machine, line machine, face machine, turning, manual program, and shape change, M code subprogram. All the program you can abandon. So you can use all the program like this. Mazatrol is very important. So mazatrol turning bar unit, the pin CPY unit, the pin corner unit, the pin facing unit, the pin spreading unit, the pin T groove unit, the pin drill unit, the pin top unit, the pin mill turn unit, another unit, the pin MMS unit, work mesh unit, tool mesh unit, transfer. The pin drill, you see this one. Then I mention common unit. Mazatrol, the program always take unit numbers 1. From then here, program common data number 1, number 0. You can see this. You can see all the program. Then I mentioned about. You see, then from then the displays the OD, from then displays this the ID minimum. If you have mazatrol, you can see my video and CNC, then I work. So very important for you to understand about this. Mazatrol define mazatrol shape, define setter data, define in and out, and a setting sequence data. Do you understand about the PTN? There is start point, then from 8 to finish point from 8. Start point from set team the final set, then a radian, then PTN. This mean link, this mean TPO, this mean convex arc, this mean concave arc. That is PTN. Line parallel and control workpiece. I want to mention here about this. If you have mazatrol, you see this, then it outside, then it outside. If you want to line from this one, if you want to the convent from this convent out. If you want concave arc from here to here, then line from the here TPO program, then outside concave arc, and inside the convex arc. I mentioned before, you understand the radian, then I first start, then I end, then I start, then I point radian. Yeah, I will continue, but this is the first time I will share you more program. Thank you for color program mazatrol CNC. Thank you.